So this is exactly how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite controller here, as you can see, to your PlayStation 4. So the first thing we need to do is to get the dongle that you should have gotten when you purchased the controller. I'm just gonna open it up here, and this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna place it right here. Then what we also need to get is one of those Wingman P5 adapters. And the reason why we need to have it is because this controller right here is not really recognized by PlayStation 5 if you're trying to connect it directly. But this right here, the Wingman P5 adapter, will actually help us to be able to recognize the GameSir Nova Lite on the PlayStation 4. So basically what I had to do now is to just grab the dongle here and then insert it at the back of the adapter here. And then I'm just gonna insert it right here into my PlayStation 4. As you can see, it's right here. I'm gonna show you exactly what we need to do now. So you can see it's right now, it's shining orange. But if I click on it here, it's gonna shine really quickly. So now it's in pairing mode. And then on the controller, click on this button together with this one at the same time until it's gonna shine green. Then click on this one together with this button right here until it's gonna shine really quickly. And you can see now the light is consistent, which is a good sign. So I'm just gonna show you now. So now if I click here, you can see the controller works without any problems whatsoever on my PlayStation 4 now. Works really awesome now, as you can see. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this specific adapter here, the Wingman P5 adapter, I have actually left the link for it down below in my description. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you get from it, I will get like a small commission at no extra cost to you, just so you know. But yeah, it would be cool if you want to be able to support me if you could get it from that link, if you're going to get it anyway. But basically this is exactly how to do this.